Maharashtra, Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh. Now, students, Kaveri. There is a religious story also, that there was a saint who cursed his wife to come in his water pot kamandal. And he was sitting on the meditation of the God. The God, the Almighty Power, came in form of a crow and rolled his water pot or kamandal. And really, mythologically, it is believed that Kaveri river rises from that water pot of that saint. But geographically, Kaveri rises in the Brahmagiri range of the Western Ghats. Kaveri rises in the Brahmagiri range of the Western Ghats. And ultimately, it also drains into the Bay of Bengal. The total length of the river is 760 kilometers. The total length of the Kaveri river is 760 kilometers. Its main tributaries are the Amravati, the Bhavani, the Hemavati, and the Kaveri. Its basin, these rivers drains parts of Karnataka, Kerala and Tamil Nadu. The river Kaveri makes the second biggest waterfall in India. The river Kaveri makes the second biggest waterfall in India, known as the Shivasamudram Falls. The biggest waterfall is Jog Fall in India, or Shivasamudram is the second biggest waterfall in India. Dear students, I would like to tell you here that perhaps you have watched a Bollywood movie, Mahabali. What waterfall has been shown in this movie? That is Shivasamudram waterfall. So thus, the Shivasamudram waterfall is the second biggest waterfall in India. The hydroelectric power is generated from these falls, and this hydel power is supplied to Mysore, Bangalore, Kolar Goldfield. Now, the name of the biggest waterfall in India, Jog Fall. Besides these major rivers, there are some smaller rivers flowing towards the east, like the Damodar, the Brahmani, the Baitarni, and the Suvarnarekha are some notable examples flowing towards the east. Now, 71% of the world's surface is covered with water, but 97% of that is salt water. Of the 3% of that is available as fresh water, or 3/4 of it is trapped as ice. Dear students, now we will discuss about the lakes and role of rivers and river pollution in next geography class, in which we will discuss about the National River Conservation Plan and the shapes that give the flowing of rivers as its activities, like flowing, composition, deposition, composition, etc., in which we will discuss about the Oxbow lakes and other lake of India. Thank you.